Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Helen. Today I am so excited to share this video with you. It's a what's for breakfast video, and this is a collaboration hosted with Ms. Rachel Monster and myself. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Ms. Rachel loves doing lifestyle vlogs and mommy vlogs, and she also does some traveling vlogs. So definitely go check out her channel and all of these other wonderful ladies here on this collaboration. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline and I'm so glad that you decided to check out my channel. I like to do cleaning motivations and organizations somewhat, and I also like to do clean eating. So you're gonna find like a plant-based style clean eating recipes here on my channel. I hope you like these recipes. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and go and check out all of these other wonderful ladies, and make sure you subscribe to their channel as you are there watching their videos. So what I decided to make is a savory breakfast dish. It's gonna have some baked potatoes and then also some spinach, and I'm going to be using just egg. I was going to use tofu and make a tofu egg, but I just want to make it simple for today. And then I also have some roasted tomatoes. I think you guys will love this breakfast. This is one of the first breakfasts I started making when we went plant-based. So I just hope you guys enjoy this. So first thing I am going to be doing is I had pre-baked my potatoes, and now I'm going to put them in my little deep fryer machine, I think that's what you call it, and I'm gonna fry them up in my machine, and then I'm gonna start on my just eggs and my spinach. I'm also going to use the fryer for the tomatoes. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So here is my air fryer. I'm just gonna put them in here. I just have these small potatoes, and I thought they would be a lot easier to cook. So they're already pretty much halfway cooked. I have oil, some rosemary, some garlic powder, and salt and pepper on here. And I'm just gonna allow this to just start. So if you guys are vegan or plant-based and you guys have not tried these just eggs, I actually like them. The first time I ate them, I wasn't for sure about it, but then after a while they grew on me because I was always eating the tofu eggs. And if you are not plant-based, you guys should try this out. It's actually really nice. They taste like eggs. I like to cook it with some butter because I think it helps not stick to the pan a lot. But I think you guys would like this. Lots of butter. Just because it sticks really bad. I'm gonna add pepper. I like to add a lot of pepper to mine. I'm adding just a teeny bit of salt. The potatoes are done, so we're gonna put these on our plate. Okay, here is what we're having for breakfast. I have sauteed some spinach. Here's my just eggs. If you don't want to try just eggs, you could try tofu eggs. And all it is you just get your tofu, you drain it and squeeze out all the moisture out of the block of tofu. And then you can add some turmeric, some garlic powder. I like to add salt and pepper, and you could just fry it up like that, and it'll taste just like eggs. So I have roasted tomatoes that I tried in our fryer, and I'm hoping that they taste good. And I got some baked potatoes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for joining with me on this collaboration. Please go check out all of these other wonderful ladies and see what they had cooked for breakfast. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!